Today we passed our consent agenda. One particular item of interest is the County Board of Appeal and Equalization meeting is on Monday, June 17th at 3 p.m. with 15-minute appointments available from 3:15 until 7 p.m. There's also a follow-up meeting on Thursday, June 20th, 2024 from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. for anyone that we need to follow up with. The County Board also approved a request for American Rescue Plan funding for the Warba American Legion Campgrounds. They requested $30,000 to put into a two-year project, a two-phase two-year project that will include funding sources from other grant sources as well as funding that they are providing themselves. The board passed a resolution in favor of the Minnesota taking action on timber wolf hunting and trapping season this year, and a letter of support will be sent. The board considered a professional services agreement with the David Drawn and Associates Human Resources Company through the Itasca County Human Resources Directorate. And that was put back. There's some commissioners had a couple of questions for considerations on that, so that'll be reconsidered at a future date. Family and Child Services Division provided us an update in a 2023 end-of-year report, and there were some interesting details that came out in terms of shifts in involvement that our Health and Human Services have with those folks. We'll be sending out a request for bids on the demolition landfill that Itasca County owns and operates. That will be handled through our environmental services. The final item presented to the board today was a 5-year highway improvement plan presented by Ryan Sutherland from our Road and Bridge Department, and it presented us with all of the roads and bridges throughout the county that will be either rebuilt, resurfaced, or receive some form of constructive effort. That's all I have for today, and thank you for attending.